Hey, it's Tuesday, December the 9th, 2025. My name is Tom, and this is your Ready Core Daily Brief. On today's show, some days preparedness isn't about planning. It's about not letting the weight of the day stop you. Have you ever had one of those mornings where the list is already longer than daylight? Calls to make, decisions waiting, and that quiet voice in your head saying, you don't have enough to give today. Yeah, me too. It's been that kind of season. Heavy, full, and frankly real. But that's exactly where preparedness shows up. Not in the clean lines of a checklist, but in the messy middle where life happens. You know, there's a great video and book actually by the same title called The Last Lecture by Randy Pausch. He was a professor at Carnegie Mellon University. And one of my favorite quotes out of that video and out of the book goes something like this. The brick walls are there for a reason. They're not there to keep us out. They are there to give us a chance to show how badly we want something. They're there to stop people who don't want it badly enough. They're there to stop other people. If you haven't seen that video, just look it up. It's called The Last Lecture on YouTube. Preparedness isn't just the gear in your truck or food on your shelf. It's the mindset that keeps you steady when the world around you feels too heavy to carry. Lately, I've been reminded that being prepared means knowing when to push and when to pause. When your energy is low, the stress is high, your bandwidth is low, you have to shift from performance mode into maintenance mode. Focus on keeping the essentials going. That might mean saying no to a project or two, or asking your support network or your neighborhood team to cover a gap for a day or two. It could mean skipping the big workout or just walking outside to breathe. Preparedness doesn't require perfection. It requires persistence. And sometimes the most prepared thing you can do is to take care of yourself so you can show up again tomorrow. When everything feels heavy, remember this. A weight shared is weight reduced. Talk to someone you trust. Lean on your team. That's what a hometown is for. That's what the team is for. It's what all this training is supposed to make possible. So today, if you're running low, simplify. Just identify your top 3 priorities and let the rest of it wait till tomorrow. I promise you, it will still be there. You can't pour from an empty cup. Tomorrow, we'll talk about how simple routines keep you functional and steady when life gets complicated. But for today, thanks for listening. I appreciate it. If you're already a member, make sure to check out all the resources on the members-only platform. And if you're not a member yet, all you have to do is visit AmericanContingency.com, click on the join button, and you can start building resilience and persistence today. I'm Tom Rigsby. Stay alert, stay ready, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.